So here at Teays Valley Electrical program, the hard skills and soft skills they learn really set them up for the future, whether they're going to go a college route or a traditional apprenticeship. It gives them a little bit of confidence to go to a contractor and be ahead of their peers that are just starting out. Here in the lab, we expose the students to a lot of electrical programs, so they get to use multimeters, hand tools, power tools, tracers, conduit benders, power conduit benders. They also get to use training boards like you see behind me.
What I like most is like all the hands-on work that we do. It's a lot better than being in the classroom all the time, and it's not boring. Like being out here and practicing what we learn in the classroom is really nice because it just helps us retain that knowledge.
My favorite part is probably our hands-on stuff and also being part of a first-year program. I think I'm really helping pave the way and making myself a part of something bigger.
My favorite project was probably the mock office here. It was a lot of fun because we got to do an actual project. We wired receptacles and stuff, and we took our knowledge and we made an actual functioning project that people will use.
The opportunity they get out here in the lab gives them as real-life scenario as possible without being on the job. We try to demonstrate a little bit of residential, commercial, industrial maintenance, troubleshooting.
I definitely learned a lot about myself and how to persevere through difficult, it's not easy. And learning how to just push through and keep working, keep trying, it really definitely helped me. Even in my other classes, just keep pushing until you find a solution, find an answer.
Obviously the intelligence to install electrical hardware is really important, but I really like the leadership skills that I've learned. Being able to lead classmates and stuff through a project is really important, and I'm excited to use them in my future.